So in this video, we're going to be looking at two different ways to create glass bullet hit effects. The first way is using what they call Vaseline hits. And these hits have actually been used since at least the 1940s, maybe even before then. And basically all these hits is there are clear Sweeney capsules filled with Vaseline. And then you just shoot those at an object or at glass, and you get this kind of interesting glass break effect.
Our second hit type is a glitter hit. Basically, it's a small acrylic capsule full of Vaseline and the other part is filled with glitter. I like to use it on shots that are perpendicular to glass so it creates a shard effect and kind of splinters out. Something to keep in mind about this product is that these are hard acrylic plastic capsules, so please do not fire them at humans or animals because it can cause serious injury or death.
You want to use a paintball gun with a low muzzle velocity or low pressure. You just want to make sure that you're not impacting the glass too heavily. And this effect is only going to work on tempered glass or glass that has been strengthened in some way. If you use float glass or just sort of standard glass, you're most likely going to break the glass. And even with tempered glass, there is definitely a risk that you might break the glass. It's just one of the risks that goes along with this effect.
Here are some tips for shooting your Vaseline hits. Number one, it's always better to shoot it straight at the glass so it'll create a symmetrical pattern. Number two, it's never really a good idea to do it when it's too hot, because if the glass is too warm, the Vaseline will liquefy almost immediately. We spoke to a couple technicians and professionals to see how they use this product.
Yeah, one of the effects guys that we talked with actually preferred doing this effect at night because the glass stays cool, and so that way the effect when it hits the glass actually lasts a little bit longer. And he was also saying that if you do need the effect to sort of stay in the glass longer, there's two things you can do. One of them is you can use a hot glue gun to sort of like draw the effect onto the glass, or you can get a sticker that just looks like the broken glass effect. So with the glitter hits, you want to have the glass of the window perpendicular to camera, so kind of like this. Then you want to have the impact hit on the side and shoot out. Because basically, the glitter hits aren't going to really make any impact on the glass. They're just going to show that debris shooting out. But I think it's a pretty cool effect. We like it a lot for the glass break bullet hit effect.
You only need to fool the audience for a second in order for the effect to work. Editing is usually your friend, so you can cut quickly from the impact to a different shot to create the constant illusion of motion, and the glass is actually shattering from this.
So those are some quick tips of using these different practical bullet hit glass effects. And if you've used any of these techniques before, we'd love to hear what your tips are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and for more tips, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.